trouble today. Yeah. There's even a Volcom as well. They're pretty cheap, like 20 bucks. Yeah, like these.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying though, if you stop at that Volcom, because there's a Volcom down the street, isn't it? On the left. If we stop there, at least you can get a decent pair for like 20 bucks.
Okay.
Even though last time we were here, remember we bought you like 3 or 4 different pairs from...
No, they were 2 sizes too big. Now they're too big for me.
Okay. Well, either way, they're not here.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know the other day I was watching people in the ABC store and they were talking about the thongs and like they were saying how, you know, for the price of thongs it was worth spending 10 bucks.
Yeah, cool. We'll stop in Volcom.
Still have to work out where the hell we're going for dinner tonight too.
I think we come up here and try one of the restaurants we haven't gone to. Did you say there were a few?
Yeah, there's some at the other end. You've got I can't remember the name of them now, but yeah, there's heaps up there. In case anyone's wondering, that's where the Don Ho statue is. And as always, if you wish to buy a Tesla, they got one of the Tesla robots in there.
Sorry?
The Tesla robot. Hate to think of what that ends up costing for that sort of thing when they do it.
It's the future.
Yeah. I think it's on the next part up here, babe. I'm pretty sure. Beautiful.
Right up here.
We'll have to go stay at some stage. Usually there's some good deals.
Yeah.
Beautiful day. Obviously, if you need transport, you can get a bike. It's the Princess Kaolani Hotel. It's actually meant to be a good hotel, that one too. Like a huge pool just in there. It's weird that the pool's right beside this street.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Like walk anywhere, grab anything. Oh, there's Masubi's and everything in that one. I always just look at it like it's an ABC. Like it looks like it's all the same stuff, but it's just a different name. I don't know whether it's like what the actual differences are, but something. Good to see they finally got that building going up. It's been like that for a long time. like a long time. I've got no luck with lights today at all. Fun. We'll go up here and we'll have a look, see what we can find. Ocean's super blue today. Let's book a company.
Way back on the other side.
Yeah, we've got a couple of them in the past. Okay, here we go, Bob. Look at the water, it's incredible today. It does not get any bluer than that. Yeah. Let's go in here and see what we can get you.